Next, we'll use corresponding yarn to crochet the big spines. Working into a magic ring, wrap the yarn around your fingers like this. Insert a hook into the loop on middle finger, yarn under the hook and pull up a loop. A magic ring is formed. In round 1, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work 4 single crochets. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first, then work 4 single crochets. Mark the first stitch, and continue to work 3 more single crochets. Pull the yarn tail tight to close the ring. Remove the marker, and work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch. Round 1 is done. In round 2, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work 4 increases. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first, then work 4 increases. Mark the first single crochet, and work 1 more single crochet in the same stitch. Continue to work 3 more increases. We need to work 2 single crochets in each stitch. Four increases are done. Finally, remove the marker, and work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 2 is done. In round 3, start with 1 chain stitch, then work a side up, 1 single crochet, 1 increase for 4 times. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Work 1 single crochet. Mark the first stitch. Next, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. 1 set is done. Please finish 3 more sets by yourself, with 1 single crochet and 1 increase as 1 set. 4 sets are done. Remove the marker, and work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch. Round 3 is done. In round 4, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work 12 single crochets. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first, then work 12 single crochets. Mark the first single crochet, and continue to work 11 more single crochets. Please finish the rest single crochets by yourself. There will be 12 single crochets in total. 12 single crochets are done. Remove the marker, and work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch. Round 4 is done. In round 5, start with 1 chain stitch, then work a side up, 1 decrease, 2 single crochets, 1 decrease twice. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Put 1 chain stitch first. Put 1 decrease. Mark the first stitch. Then work 2 single crochets. Next, put 1 decrease. 1 decrease, 2 single crochets, and 1 decrease. Finished. One set is done. The second set, put 1 decrease, 2 single crochets, and 1 decrease. Remove the marker and put 1 slip stitch in the first stitch. Round 5 is done. Break yarn, leaving a long yarn tail. Stretch the loop and remove the hook. Then pull the yarn tail out. One big spine is done. Please crochet 2 more big spines in the same way by yourself.